on, what do we got here? We got a little trail right here. Let's hit it. Ooh, it's Rudy. That's a dang old copperhead right there, boy. I tell you what. That's a big one too. That is a snake you do not want to step on or ride over or even spend this much time looking at. Let's get out of here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. He made a creepy hissing sound and he's scurried away, just like me. Bye-bye, Mr. Copperhead. We're still in it. We're still in it, baby. Oh my goodness. There's a little elevation changes in this trip. I mean, the tip about riding trails is, imagine that you're a lightning bolt and you're trying to go through the path of least resistance. Now, sure, you could do little jumps on purpose here and there, but when you're trying to go through these routes, it's path of least resistance. The best you can, winding through the trails. Oh. Using the trees sometimes. This is going to be a tough one here. Oh. And sometimes you just send the one wheel on its own. Whew. This has been a nice ride. A particularly clean one. Oh, what do we have here? Trash. Happy to do my part, everybody. I just hope that it inspires you to do your part. Because if we all do our part, we can make a difference. What the hell? Oh, sorry about that. What the hell? Make sure there's no copperheads. Got him. No. Got him. No. Slippery little bugger. But got him. Maybe if I pick up a couple more pieces, you guys will get to see what it's like for me to empty my trash can out. But not at this rate. I'll finish this whole part before I run out of space in my trash can. Yoink. And that's what it's supposed to be like. I see a piece of trash, I grab it, and I keep riding. And that way I can cover pretty good distances. Right behind you guys. Oh, that's a tough spot. That's a tough spot. Oh, I got it. I think I might have flabbergasted those folks back there. But it's okay. Nothing like a little flabbergasting every now and then. What do we got here? What do we got here? We got this guy. We got this guy. We got this guy. This guy. Triple kill. Tra-la-la-la-la. Let's go. Oh. 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 Woo-hoo. 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 It's a bumpy. It's a bumpy. All right, let's see if I can do a magic trick. Woo! I don't know if that was a magic trick, but I mean, this is proof that once you're on a one wheel, multitasking is very easy. Oh, because once you learn how to ride it, it's as easy as walking. It requires no effort for you to actually control. What a great instrument. Got him. Got him good. Oh, this is gonna be a tough get on here. Oh yeah, flight fins, baby. Flight fins coming in clutch. So that was the loop on the left. I already went this way. So I crossed this bridge. Let's empty the trash can. So we got us a trash can here. More trash can. Simply slides right out. The top comes right off. Empties. Slides right back on. And we're good to go.